So we may think that waking in the night, reading extra Quran, doing extra ibadah, extra qiyamul layl, giving extra charity in Ramadan, oh, it's difficulties. Everything you hear in Ramadan is about charity. Charity. And like, wow, when these people are going to stop charity? But why don't you tell Allah stop giving you also? Have you ever made dua? Ever think about making a dua and say, Allah, you gave me enough. I already live in Pembroke Pines in a closed, gated community. What's the name of the community, brothers? Pembroke Falls, beautiful waterfall, big mansion. I ain't need anything again. What do you think? You think, Brother Amin? You tell Allah, I already got a Mercedes, I got many property, I don't need anything again. Do you think anybody really tells Allah that? You don't tell Allah. Instead you say, Allah, more Mercedes, more properties, more money. Yeah. But when it comes to giving, we say, Allah, enough, we ain't giving no more. You give us more and we don't give more. Does that make sense, mathematically speaking? Does it make sense, mathematically speaking? It doesn't make sense. How could we ask for more, and when Allah says, you give more, we say, no, don't start that, Allah. I work hard for this thing. Hard work since I came to America. Real difficulties. And now you tell me every Ramadan, give more, give more. It doesn't make